Hey, I'm Russ from bbqspitrotisseries. Today, we're gonna cook a half a chicken, a little hardcore, on the S&S grill. Spatchcock said chicken. We're gonna remove the backbone. Said hole here, and just choppy, owie. Whatever you do, do not get your fingers, because it will not feel nice. I'm gonna cut through this chicken with our classic D390s. Search for it on our website, bbqspitrotisseries.com.au. Backbone gone, flip her over, push down. All right, flipped it over, push it down until we heard a little cracky poo, and then we're just gonna run a knife. There once was one, but now there is two. All right, so we got our chicken separated. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of hardcore red. Good name, it's red. Get on there. All right, our chicken's rubbed, it's set, the fire's hot. Today, we're gonna cook on the S&S griddle pan. It's gonna protect the bottom of the chicken a little bit and make it much easier to get it on and off the barbecue. All right, chicken's on the barbecue. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of peach wood. It's kind of in between a fruit wood and a hardwood, and I like the flavor it gives the chicken. Perfect. All right, these chicken's been on for about a half an hour. Let's give them a temp and see how we're going. We're gonna try and temp underneath the breast because we don't want to poke into the skin. As you can see, we've got a little bit of work to do. Our chicken's done. It got a little bit dark because a little bit of sugar in the rub. That's all right, it's still gonna be good. Nice, crispy skin. I'm gonna finish it off with my favorite sauce, Lane's Sorta White. Nice crispy bite through skin.